Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this aullalah, aullalah, aullalah couch bar snack box. Filled with so delicious food as you can see and drinks. And it will not drop again on your sofa because there are really good chained in that snack box bar here. This is a couch bar with snack bowls. The snack bar for the sofa tray. Oh, this is a really good gift for man. Oh, delicious man gift here. And of course for women and so on. This couch bar is personalized sofa organizer by aullalah. Yeah, it's a perfect for our sofa, for every sofa out there. Whenever you are watching for your favorite movie or relaxing after a long day of work, this couch bar sofa here is the perfect addition to our sofa. We enjoy our time on the couch with friends, food, and drinks at the same time. Delicious. Excellent materials are built in. The snack bar is made of renewable bamboo wood with a sturdy structure and a flat, non-scratching edges. The couch organizer can be placed anywhere on our sofa or, of course, on our bed. It comes with a light white design. This sofa butler is for a comfortable use of our sofa design. The size of the couch bar is 25 to 36.5 to 7.5 centimeter. But thanks to the light white design, it is not so heavy. But it's stable enough to make a good job. It holds a variety of snacks. The couch tray holds wine, bottles, glasses, snacks and more. This sofa tray has a handle for easy transport and hollow-out design. Makes it easy to clean and focus on a delicious evening. Focus on a non-damaged sofa because anything is dropped on it. Because here the aullalah couch bar will prevent this because it is organized on our sofa or on our bed to serve us food and drinks. Aullalah couch bar is a really good thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.